Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over when a real estate attorney gets involved in a real estate transaction in the state of Connecticut. So Connecticut is an attorney state, meaning that a real estate attorney is needed to close on a property throughout the entire state of Connecticut. Now, I say an attorney state because not all 50 states are attorney states. Some states might require you to close with a title rep instead of an attorney. An attorney is not needed in that state. In Connecticut, you do need an attorney to close on a real estate transaction legally. So it varies a little bit from town to town in the state of Connecticut. But generally, you want to get a real estate attorney involved in the transaction once you have an accepted offer. So once you have an accepted offer in the state, you're going to have either a binder or a purchase agreement that you're going to start working towards to prepare for the contract. So there are certain case scenarios where you can go straight to contract and just start drafting the contract with your attorney. Now, even when you're getting that binder or purchase agreement together, you still want an attorney to look over that document for you, ideally. That's what I typically advise my clients to do. Because once I have an accepted offer, whether I'm representing a buyer or seller, I typically then tell them, all right, if we don't have an attorney in place now, we need to get one as soon as possible. That's basically the next step on our list before moving forward with anything. So you can sign a binder or a purchase agreement without having your attorney ready to go, but at the same time, I do advise making sure that if you do sign that binder or purchase agreement, getting your attorney as soon as possible after that. But legally, they don't have to be involved until the actual contract. So I typically advise my clients that when they know that they're about to start buying or selling a home, I advise them to start getting an attorney before that process, or at least start talking to some attorneys. That way you kind of have an idea of who you're going to work with. So that way, when we're about to go into contract, you can then pull the trigger instantly on the attorney that you've already kind of vetted. So time is of the essence in a real estate deal. So I do suggest getting an attorney together as soon as possible, but at least before contracts are signed. So you might have bought properties in other states around the country, and those states might have required a title rep to close on a property. Now, so in Connecticut, your attorney is the one who will pull title for a property. So I hope that answered when to involve an attorney in a Connecticut real estate transaction. If you have any other questions around the topic or want me to do any follow-up videos, just let me know in the comments.